Hi, I'm Aisha,
Nan LaQuisha.
and today we are going to show you a magic trick. And this is just kind of like a practice because we have like this contest that we're doing. We have to do this magic trick, and we really need to practice. So we're practicing and putting it on video. So you guys can comment and tell us if you think it was like fake or like whatever. And yeah. Okay, so here's what you will need.
An assistant. I'm just kidding. You will need a straw. Just a normal straw. We cut off the bendy part.
Yeah, it was like this kind of straw.
So we just cut off the bendy part. So it's okay.
Yeah, see?
And yeah. You're gonna need a string. We're just using an Easter basket grass stuff, so just a full string longer than the straw, so
Yeah, ours is a lot longer. You are going to need a pair of scissors. We have these scissors and we have these scissors. I mean, it really doesn't matter what scissors you use.
but these are way harder to use.
Yes, those are way harder because those are like makeup scissors. It's easier to use like these big office scissors. So yeah, so here we go.
Oh, never mind.
What?
Never mind.
Okay, so
You're gonna
what
need
you
a
do
straw.
is you're going to take the straw. You're going to put the string in the straw.
Okay. So as we're just putting the string in the straw.
Okay.
So as you can see, the straw.
So
Like that.
there's string on either side. The straw's in the middle. See the string? Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the straw.
And scissors.
And you're going to bend the straw. Bend the straw. I can never get this right. It would never bend for me. Okay. You're going to bend the straw and you're going to pull the strings tight. Okay?
So it's right against it.
Okay? So pull the string super tight, okay? So you can hold on to it. Okay? So then
Take the scissors and we're gonna cut it right here, so right where the straw and the string are, like that. And then we're gonna cut that. That one fine.
Yep. And the string was cut.
And now we have two
Okay.
different sides.
Yeah.
Cut in straws and
Okay.
cut. in
So
half
we're just
string.
going to take this, and they're right beside each other, so yeah.
We
There's
just don't want to drop them.
like
so.
no way you can pull string out of here except for yeah. Okay, so you're going to take one of the sides of string and you're gonna pull.
And it's gonna come back.
And it got back together. See, so you can see all of the string is intact. None of it's like damaged except for some bent parts.
Because it's just how Easter basket works.
Yeah.
But no.
And so, as you can also see, the straw was cut. Like, we cut it in half. There's no way it could be like, I don't know, like faked or whatever. But, yeah.
And if you want, if you want to learn how to do this, comment below. We'll do a video on that after the contest ends, so they won't see that we're fake. Well, they obviously know that, but
They won't see how the trick is done. And
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So, we will see you guys later. Bye, YouTubers. Bye.